हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू C2C मेंटर्स। माय नेम इज रूपांशी लालगे और आज द टॉपिक ऑफ द वीडियो इज CMAT 2022। देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव अ वरी कि CMAT के बारे में हमें आइडिया नहीं है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, क्या है, हाउ कैन C2C मेंटर्स हेल्प इन द CMAT प्रिपरेशन। सो हियर वी हैव अ शॉर्ट वीडियो जिसमें आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि एग्जैक्टली CMAT का पैटर्न क्या है, करना क्या है, एंड देन हाउ टू गो अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन। ठीक है, so stay tuned for the video and let's get started. This will give you fairly, a basic idea ki exactly how the things go. Yeah, so starting with the paper pattern. ठीक है, एग्जाम है 24th of January को, so we have a huge amount of time and in between बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स और भी होंगे आपके नॉन कैट, so you have a good time to prepare and more or less the preparation remains the same as you will prepare for non-cat exams, so no need to worry. Okay, now registration closes around January 1st week or December last week, so try to do it as soon as possible. There is no harm in registering early. ये जो site आपको दिख रही है cmatntanic.in, this is the website to register. Then this is conducted in 3 hours and there is one extra slot of 30 minutes post your exam is completed for 3 hours, जिसमें if you opt for this particular examination you will be able to take this, which is known as innovation and entrepreneurship section. Okay, now the change is that each question carries 4 marks and for each incorrect answer you will have a deduction of 1 mark. So yes, negative marking इसमें भी है, so you have to be careful while marking the answers. Okay, then unattempted will obviously have no marks. ओवरऑल एग्जाम पैटर्न की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें जैसा कि मैंने कहा टोटल 4 सेक्शंस हैं और उसके अलावा एक ऑप्शनल सेक्शन है. जो बेसिक 4 सेक्शंस हैं वो है क्वांट, LR, लैंग्वेज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस. ओके, सो द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू नीड टू कीप फॉर CMAT इज यहाँ पर GK आता है. GK भी आपका वास्ट होता है काफी. इट इज नॉट कि एक सेक्शन आप पढ़ लो और आ जाएगा, सिर्फ बिजनेस सेक्शन पढ़ लो और आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. यू हैव टू हैव अ फेयर आइडिया अबाउट थिंग्स. Okay, now talking about the breakup of the questions. हर सेक्शन के 25 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, हर क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क का होगा, so total marks is 100 per section. ठीक है, 3 hours and 30 minutes for this. Now coming to the section wise syllabus breakup or the topic wise segregation of each subject. पहला अगर हम देखें क्वांट एंड DI, ठीक है, इसमें हम देखते हैं टैबुलेशन, पार्टनरशिप, ज्योमेट्री, पाइप्स एंड सिस्टर्न्स. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इसमें अरिथमेटिक का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. देन पार्टनरशिप का एक मैंने क्वेश्चंस देखे हैं, काफी बार आते हैं. यहाँ पर आप ग्राफ्स भी देख सकते हो, एक सेट दे दिया जाएगा जिसमें टेबल, पाई चार्ट्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल बी देयर एंड you will have 2-3 questions based on that. Okay, ratio proportions again has a good weightage, and time, speed, distance, number system, simple interest, compound interest. So these are some topics that if you do well, if you prepare well beforehand, you will pick and choose in the examination ki if you have 25 questions you will find those questions which you know that I am comfortable in, I have the strength to work on them. Okay, so this is the section wise understanding of quant and DI. I would suggest for this particular section that take one chapter at a time, do questions from basic level to moderate level from that section, as many as possible from different types, and then understand that which sections do you have strength in. Let's say you have taken these subjects first, these topics first, and then some other topics. You will have an idea that okay, this works for me and this does not work for me. Okay, moving on to the next section, that is LR. In LR you will have analytical reasoning, analogy test, blood relations and direction distance test. These are the favorite topics of CMAT where you can earn a lot of marks. Okay, then ranking test, coding, decoding, input output, cause and effect, number series, all these topics are quite repeated in different examinations, and I think you will have an understanding of this while you practice more and more. Next is language comprehension. Here there is not just RCs, but there is also a lot of things like synonyms, English grammar, specifically grammar, subject verb agreements, and paragraph completion, jumbled para, then sentence correction, idioms. Now here it's like if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So I would suggest कि आप ऐसी चीज़ों को, जैसे हम लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स भी कह सकते हैं, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन देम more and more. Okay, what will happen is in the examination you will just spend 10 seconds and you will have a correct answer, rather than just relying upon RCs, because they might be tricky, they might take a lot of time, whereas these short questions do not consume a lot of time and they give you +4. Okay, next is general awareness, the most dreaded topic of this particular examination, because other topics generally are covered in CAT, non-CAT, but GK is something which is losing its importance in other examination, but CMAT still plays gives an importance to general awareness. So now the topics listed here are literature, trade awareness, geography, constitution, politics, history, all of these static topics. But you can't study in a month all of these things. That is so obvious. So I would suggest try to cover the recent happenings of national and international importance. For example, COP summit happened, COP26 related to climate change, then Ramsar Convention sites, then some awards, Nobel Awards or Filmfare Awards or Oscar Awards. Then there are so many different things coming up which has an importance. Now, how will you know what to read, what not to read? So go to the previous year questions. We have that available freely. So read them and then understand what kind of questions do you need to actually prepare. Okay, and don't worry, C2C mentors will be coming up with some videos on GK and general awareness specifically for CMAT and other examinations which cover this. So stay tuned, but also do your preparation at your own level with respect to economics, then personalities in news, sports news. Since Tokyo Olympics just happened, you will have to keep an eye on the awards and the prizes. Okay, now coming to the optional subject, which is innovation and entrepreneurship. This has this is mainly to understand and see the decision making ability and how much aware are you about the business happenings around the world. So for this I would say one recommendation: to read all these topics in the syllabus from Google. Try to understand these topics, because a lot of things here are static. You need to know the parts and parcels of this. One. Second, try to read about the mergers and acquisitions. Try to read the business news, latest business news, something related to the new startups, what are coming up, what has gained a huge popularity, or some or the other news related to startups. Also focus on government initiatives that are revolving around this topic. So I would say that don't worry so much, but try to be aware. And if you start from now, it is very, very, very much possible. And I am saying it again and again that they are low hanging fruits. You can definitely ace this. Coming to the last thing which I wanted to share is this exam is actually doable. If you start even now, you have a lot of time. You just have to strategize yourself as per the examination. I understand that every exam takes different approach, but for this examination you will have to actually sit and think what can work and what cannot work for you. Okay, so here at C2C Mentors we also have a huge program for you which covers entirely the mocks, the courses, live and recorded lectures for CMAT. So if you are interested, please visit the website. You can also have an interaction with the mentors and understand what all offerings are there. You can use the WhatsApp channel, or you can just drop a mail, whatever suits you, but you will definitely have a proper idea that how to prepare. And once you have a proper guidance, I believe for this examination I would say 99.99 percentile is also very much possible. And then a lot of colleges are there which offer which take CMAT score, and they are like IMT Ghaziabad, KJ Soma Institute of Management, then Goa Institute of Management, Great Lakes, and many more colleges. There is a huge list. So I would recommend apply for this examination. And if you want to have a guidance, have a support from us, we are ready. We have comprehensive packages and modules for CMAT. So if you wish, do enroll. And all the best for all your examinations.